After all the hype around this serum, I decided to give it a try. This is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and this is what the bottle looks like. I got this in a set from Sephora where you get the serum as well as the eye cream. I'm currently trying the eye cream, so you will see the review soon. I've heard so many mixed reviews on this and I wanted to try it for myself. It's been a cult favorite for many years. The description says it's a powerful serum that should significantly help reduce the aging process like fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps with dryness, dull, uneven texture. After using this for about 4 to 4.5 months now, I am not surprised that I haven't seen any major changes with my skin, other than it being a good moisturizer. I like the texture of the serum. It's really lightweight, and when massaged to the skin, it absorbs quickly and layers well with my other moisturizers or serums as well. I would think this would be an ideal serum for combination, normal and dry skin. Now, I believe to see changes with your skin, you have to be using this serum for about at least 8 months to a year to actually see results like signs of aging with your skin. But to me, I can get the same effect by using ingredients like niacinamide, retinol, squalane oil, and some others which are much more affordable than this serum. It's an okay product. I believe when this serum first came out years ago, this was the only serum of that kind that actually showed results with your skin. But in today's day, we do have a lot of other ingredients that are sold by much cheaper brands. It's an okay product with a really big price tag, so yeah, it's a no for me. I won't be repurchasing this. They do come in different size bottles, so I believe they do have a sample size, which is the 7 ml size bottle, and I think that's priced at $17. The 30 ml bottle is priced at $72, and for the people who love this cult beauty product, it's available at 50 ml and is priced at $103. As you can see here, it does come in a dark amber bottle with a dropper. So they say the serum can be used day or night. That makes the name very confusing. Although I still prefer using it as a night treatment and used to use it every other night. I just feel it absorbs active ingredients better at night since the skin is not layered with too much of makeup and sunscreen. I take about 3 to 4 drops and massage this all over my cleansed and toned skin, and then I like to follow up with my night moisturizer. After using this for about 4 to 4.5 months now, I am not surprised that I haven't seen any major changes with my skin. I read posts online and spoken to a couple of people who do use this serum during the day and love it as a day serum as well. And after doing some research, I've read some dermatologists and influencers saying that the day and night creams are somewhat outdated and companies are now reformulating to work both during the day and night. They say that the skin does not know what time of the day it is, so new research and newer product formulations say if they are stated to be used at any time of the day, they will be used at any time of the day. Now, however, I have my own thoughts on that, and I don't think so because of the sun rays and you're using your sunscreen, and I don't think night treatments should be used during the day. Well, I've talked about that before, but with this, I will still keep to using this in my nighttime skincare routine. They do recommend this serum for normal, dry, oily, and combination skin type. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read, and let me quickly go through the ingredient list. They do have a fermented ingredient, which is right at the top, which is bifida or bifida ferment lysate, and I believe this ingredient helps with DNA repair, a type of kind of a probiotic that helps with skin damage and strengthens the skin immunity and has a lot of benefits. Estée Lauder, as most of you know, is not a cruelty-free company. I got mine from Sephora UAE. I know you can find this at Sephora US and Sephora UK. In India, you will find it at Nykaa. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next. Bye!